pin. I will show you the different pin. And especially you can see the pin 6. Because the previous one, we don't have the, let me stop. The previous one, we don't have the pin signal in here. Pin 6 is connected to the pin 7. And pin 14 connected to pin 13. And the other one, I'm not sure it's a good one or not. And the other one is no, it's not connected. So let me check about this signal by using the oscilloscope again.
And can I just say, Wesly, I think you're giving a very good example of different types of faults that the system can identify.
Yeah.
Not only functional faults, because the functional test is failing, and the system is able to, well, the system already knows what the functionality is and is not happy with the results that it's getting. But it's also doing a very important test, which is the connection test. Do you want to just explain to the viewers what the connection test is? What is it that the system can do when it comes to testing as wired, checking for the connections, comparing connections, etc. Can you just give us a quick overview on that?
Okay, that's good. For my experience, when I started to work with the ABI, I didn't mean I joined ABI. Before I joined ABI, I'm using the ABI product to repair and service. Okay, so that's why I can tell you what is a service engineer, what is maintenance engineer, and in the final stage, what is the repair engineer. And especially, I can tell you how to use ABI system correctly. Okay, for the functional testing, just what I mentioned about the connection information, I can say that. So this is quite important for the in-circuit testing. Normally the people get the PCB, the component always on the PCB, okay? And if we want to do the testing, probably in the early year, people will take it out by desolder and do the testing in out of circuit. And if everything go okay, put it back, okay? But right now we have the in-circuit testing. It doesn't mean you have to do the out-circuit testing, but also you need to do the in-circuit because they have more information in there. Okay, so in here, you can see our data, the actual data, which means is this one, this IC is working fine, okay? But the pin condition, the information is not matched with another one. Especially you have the 2 more failable or 3 more or a lot of failable in your office or in your store to waiting for repair. But you have no one is working. You don't have the good one, okay? So you can compare 2 failable to compare the VI as well, and voltage and functionality as well. However, another key point is about connection testing. Okay, so in here you can see the L2 connect to L2. So that's why I know it's making no sense. Okay, it's making no sense because the 2 outputs connect together. However, if you don't have this system, if you don't have API, can you find the pin 13 connected to pin 14? No, it's very hard to find it. Yes, you can say, okay, I can use multimeter and test it. Yeah. You need to test it all. It's not only one device, it's all our device. It's impossible to do that. If you want to do that, it will take a very long time. It's not about 1 hour, 2 hours. It's about a days, okay, if you use a multimeter. But however, if you use the ABI system, just like this, I just show you. And you can save the data and compare.